Hello NRIs, welcome you again to my YouTube channel Finance Chapel. If you are first time coming to this YouTube channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon so that you will get a notification for my next YouTube video. Today we are discussing more about what are the things you have to consider before buying a term insurance in India. First thing you have to consider, you have to think about, is it term insurance is very important for you or not? If you are a working professional, if your entire family is dependent upon you and you have a lot of aspirations, goals, and that is not yet met and lot of commitments, then of course you have to take a term insurance. Now, why term insurance? Because at the very less cost, the premium which you are paying for the term insurance, you are getting a huge coverage. And the coverage is depends upon your age as well as your income. So make sure that you are showing the income. If you are a businessman, if you are running any business, then you have to make sure that you should have 3 years of ITR filing, 3 years of ITR, as well as if you are a working professional, then you have to take minimum 3 to 6 months of the salary slip you have to show to the company so that they will get a coverage based on your income as well as your age. Next important thing you have to consider here is what is the coverage you have to take. On the basic standards, like normally we can consider that you can consider that 10 to 20 times of your annual income. Again, it based on your age as well as the commitment what you have towards your family. If you have a debt, if you have a loan, then of course you have to consider that loan as well, because you have to make sure that if suppose by unfortunate event, if you are not there, then your family should not suffer. They should not be on road because you have taken a lot of loan towards it may be personal loan, it may be home loan, it may be vehicle loan or any other loan. So that's why make sure that you have a sufficient coverage for your family to take care after your demise. So make sure you are taking a sufficient coverage for your family, and that is a safety net when you are not there with them. So next important thing you have to consider, that is the difference between term insurance and endowment plan. When you are come back to India, and even when you are in abroad, there may be many advisors are behind you. There may be a bankers are behind you, and they may force you to take endowment plans. And I have seen when I was helping the NRIs to do their financial planning, when I was educating them on the personal finance, I have seen many people have taken like 4 lakh, 10 lakh rupees, 5 lakh rupees. 5 lakh rupees premium which they are paying every month for the ULIP plan, every year for the ULIP plans. Some are paying for the endowment plans, money back plans. But if you check the coverage, what are the coverage you are having, and check what is the commitment you have. If that coverage is not sufficient as per your commitments, make sure that you are having a sufficient coverage. For that, definitely you can look for a term insurance policy, because as I mentioned previously, that term insurance policy is giving a huge coverage with the less premium, and the premium is fixed for the number of years you are paying and the coverage whatever you are taking when you take a policy at first time. The premium will be fixed for the number of years you are paying the premium for the term insurance. So it is not like health insurance that premium is increasing every time. So here premium will be fixed, and you have to make sure that till what age you have to take a term insurance. Suppose your commitment is there and your family is dependent upon you, maybe your children's education is there and you have to take care of their education, maybe you have to take care of their marriage, and they are dependent upon you for all their basic necessities, then you may have to consider the age. Maybe it may be depend upon like how small and how young your children are. Maybe it may be 65, 70 or 75 based on your commitment. So next important thing you have to take care when you are coming back to India. Make sure that if you are taking a term insurance, please do that first priority, because definitely you may be having a plan to go different places for the vacation, for the functions, and maybe you are having a lot of opportunities to eat various things, and maybe you may not be taking care of your health at that moment. So make sure that in the term insurance, based on your coverage, what you are taking, you may have to go for a medical checkup. And when the medical checkup, when you do the medical checkup, if there is any variation, there are chances of increasing your premium, or if there is if they found any critical illnesses, they definitely says that they are not able to give you the term insurance. And these cases happened recently with the two of my clients. One client, when he went to the medical checkup, like he found that he had a heart problem, and as soon as he did his second medical checkup to just check and verify, he found that 90% block in his heart. And at that time, the company, before he get into the second time medical checkup, company has increased approximately 60,000 premium on the base plan. Then of course he was not able to take that plan because he has went to the heart surgery, open heart surgery, and he has dropped out from that policy, and he was just 41-year old. We just imagine this case should not be happen with any one of you. That's why take care about your health, take care about your term insurance. And when in the beginning of the time, when you come to India, please make sure you are giving it more priority for taking a term insurance if you want to take a term insurance. And next important thing, another case which happened, there was a variation in sugar level, and they have increased almost 1 lakh rupees for 3 crore rupees coverage for the person. So that is why it is very important to take a medical checkup, medical test, or whatever the requirement is there for the term insurance. You will get it done on the priority basis. Next important thing you have to consider is riders. Are you opting for a riders? Riders is something like that. You are taking a plain coffee, and you are taking some top-ups like add-ons to that. It is similar to that. If suppose you are taking a pure term plan, that is taking a pure coffee, and if you are taking some top-ups on that, then it is like a riders. And as you are adding a top-ups to your coffee, definitely you are paying extra premium. Similarly, here also, when you are considering the riders, you have to pay the additional premium. And what are the riders you can opt? One is accidental rider, because it will cover the disability. Just check if it is a separate accidental insurance policy where it covers even accidental, permanent, partial disability as well as total disability, and check what is the premium along with your policy in your term insurance, and just compare and take a right decision. Simultaneously, you can opt for critical illness insurance as well in the term insurance plan. Now, what is critical illness? Suppose if there is some of the list they are giving, which are the major critical illness. If unfortunate event, if you found any critical illness in that part, maybe they are giving a lump sum amount at that time, and it may not be not based on the hospitalization cost. It is a lump sum amount. If you are taken 10 lakh rupees, and 10 lakh rupees will be paid, and maybe the future premium will be waived off based on your policy which you are opting. So make sure that what are the riders you are adding, and note that whenever you are adding a rider, your premium will increase. Next important thing you have to consider that here is MWP Act, that is Married Women Protection Act. So now what it says that if you are giving a nomination as your wife or like spouse or like children, then definitely no companies or like no bankers or no government can come and take that amount for your debt. So it will directly go to your nominee, whatever the nominee you have given. So under that MWP Act. So make sure that you click that option which is given in the form, and make sure that it will go to your nominee. And next important thing, please bring all of your documents when you come to India. It may be a salary slip, it may be your ITR, or like it may be like other documents which is required for your term insurance, so that if all the things are handy, so then definitely you can, it is very easy to process, and it is very easy to get it done your term insurance on time. So don't delay, please take a right decision at right time, so that you as well as your family is safe and secure, and they can fulfill all their dreams in your absence. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, please share it with your friends, family members who are NRIs, and they can take a right decision at right time. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you will get the next notification. And here another important announcement which I wanted to do here. We are conducting a special workshop for 3 hours workshop for NRIs on coming July 8th. And please be there, fill the form, so that only few limited seats are available to get the seat, and along with that you are getting a lot of bonuses. actually, and all the details are given in the description. Please make sure that you are into that workshop. Thank you so much. See you soon.